Machiegni kendo nyakoram gajonge mago mag tuke tim okapu mar Kisumu Lakeside norodho tim mar Kenyatta Oryx points 55 kuom 43 e tuke mag okapu lig maduong' mar Wakene. Tim mar Lakeside no kawo loch e kwota mokwongo, loch ma points 10-8 kendo nyiso dwaro margi mar kawo loch. E kwota mar ariyo Lakeside no noro Kenyatta Oryx points 20-15 tok jotugo owuok e yueyo kendo donjo e kwota mar adek. Kenyatta Oryx no temo duogo e tugo, kata kamano Lakeside no kawo loch mar points 12-11. Kwota mogik no bedo mayot ne nyidendi mawuok Kisumu bang' kawo loch mar points 13-9.
We are coming from holidays. Most of my players are not there, but I'm impressed. They played a good game. I wish I had time to train. If this game was put before, I know I would have won the game. We would have won the game.
According to the game that we played, we had messes in the first quarter, but we recovered by playing a lot of press. We pressed them, and there was some resilience, but we used our timeouts to control their tempo. And also in the third and fourth quarter, we did a lot of shooting, which really opened the gap for us to win the match.